Cool tools make all the difference and get you amazing results. But it wasn't always like this for us because we had to struggle in the beginning. Now I'm going to show you how we went from a part-time business to a full-time detail shop. Cool tools not only take you from working on regular daily drivers to working on amazing classic cars, and the right tools can take you from this to this. And I'm going to tell you, it's a lot easier to get there with the right tools. The Max Blaster was a huge upgrade for us because it got our cart times right down. We were able to do in 2 hours what usually took us 8 with a regular Ozone machine. Totally worth the investment, fantastic machine, and it's great at getting out all kinds of smells. Having deionized water in the shop is a must-have. Not only do the vehicles come out spot-free when you wash them, but it also increases your drying time and it protects your equipment. So the water going out to the power washer is already filtered before it gets to the machine. It was a fantastic investment for us and it saves us a ton of time. This Badger Fur brush came from Bloomco and it's amazing. It cuts our car times right down, doesn't scratch the paint, and we use it for all our rooftops, RVs, anywhere that's very difficult to get from the ground. Even tunnel covers. It's a fantastic brush. We use our foam cannon for really nasty cars to get into the creases and crevices all around the vehicle and get in where the wash mitt just cannot get in. It does a fantastic job of loosening up the dirt, and it helps us if the car is really nasty. A paint gauge is essential if you're doing paint correction. It gives you all the information you need to do a fantastic job. When we're cutting out sanding marks, we prefer to use a rotary. It just seems to be a lot quicker and it's what I'm used to. So we cut with the rotary and then we finish it up with a Rupes DA polisher afterwards. I use my snap-on cordless polisher to get into areas that are really tight or to finish edges on panels. I prefer to use it because I have a lot more control over it than I do with the larger machines. It's also my go-to polisher for refinishing headlights. The Adams 1-inch micro polisher is fantastic at getting in really tight areas that you can't get in with the 3-inch. We also use the micro polisher to polish a set of clusters and we couldn't believe the results. It was just amazing. The steamer supercharges any APC that you use. Whether you're doing floor mats or you're doing trunk liners, whatever you're doing, it just works amazing. The steamer breaks down grease, oil, gum, candy, lipstick, anything that's stuck to those carpets or stuck to the floor mats, it'll remove it. It's just an amazing tool. Our Typhoon air gun is a huge improvement over a regular style air gun because it moves so much air and it dries the mats completely. It removes a lot of sand and dirt, and it's also awesome at drying rims. The snap-on headlamps are very innovative. Not only can you hold them in your hand easily, but you can wear them around your neck, you can wear them around your head. You can see everywhere that you're looking. It's fantastic to have these. Lighting is so important in what we do because if you can't see the dirt, you can't remove it. The Ryobi cordless spotlight is also another amazing tool. Not only does it light up all your interior, but it's great if you're working outdoors as well. Investing in better tools is a great return on investment. It'll help you do a better job. It'll get you the results that you want. It'll get you more customers, and you'll be a lot happier. I know I just scratched the surface here, but it's important that you always stay informed, find out the newest and latest techniques that are out there, the best tools that are out there, and spend your money where it's going to make you the most money. Enjoy detailing and have a great day.